Top of the morning to you, lads. My name is Sam Sasha as Warcraft, and today we are back into some more vlogs for you guys. But today it is very, very special. Today we are going to be talking about Nerf. Fortnite Nerf. I'm gonna unboxing. It's basically an unboxing of this specific gun. I'll tell you the after fact in the other room, and I'll go get it afterwards. The after fact. It has a barrel, has the gun itself. I don't know what's in here, but I don't know what it looks like. Nothing. So I mean, Fortnite SPL with the Fortnite skins. If you know those all three Fortnite skins, comment down below. And then it's from Hasbro Game. It's from Hasbro Gaming, Epic Games. You know. And do not play this until you're 8 years old and higher. And well, we're gonna do a Nerf war with these. Oh my god, this is gonna be fun. Basically, I mean, what I'm gonna do is, well, try not to aim the face in Nerf wars either. Now I want to see what's in here for you guys. And the back of the box, there's this gun. Then there's the Fortnite Scar that everyone has, or 95% of it. And we have the pump. The pump. So we can get this. It gets 6 darts in this box. So if I get all 3, I'll be cool because I can hang them up in my closet back there. Ignore the fact that that's there. There's my bed from the video. That's like, you know, thumbnails on your screen right now. On my face. And today I'm going to be staying overnight too. Up until I go to school the next day. So tomorrow I have school. This is good. Now open the box. Get out of here. Instructions? Get out of here. Here's the 6 darts. Open that later. I have muscles. Oh, the gun is right here. And it is this part of the box, as you see. And there's the barrel that comes with it. Nah, I can get just yeet. Oh, failed trick shot. Who cares? You can yeah. it looks like I had on the box. Ta-da! Looks the same, right? Well, wait. There you go. Looks the same, right? Look, I can take it off too. Look, I can take it off too. I can put it on, put it back on, put it back off, and here you know. And there's also 6 darts. I opened the bag of darts. The bag of darts. Yeet. I open it. This is how we put it in. And you can only put 3 at once. Yep, you can only put 3 at once. You cock it. You can't. You have to shoot or they'll open this. Right? Look. And then you open it. You close it back in. That's basically it. And I'll try and do it too with the barrel to see which one is better. To open up this, I'm gonna put the darts back in. Close back up. Now I'm gonna try to put this back together. Stop. No, I won't shoot the computer. I won't shoot my camera. Look, here is to aim. Right? I think it's better without it, honestly, for my opinion. With this and with the nothing in it, just like that. Or if I just take it off and I just use that, that's fine, right? There's nothing wrong with it. But what I would say is this is better. And this is good. I was gonna wait for that video for a long time now. So, I guess we'll end the video here, right? Since we showed everything.
Well, you have to go upstairs.
Okay. So we're gonna end the video here. So this is the end of the video. If you did, punch the like button like a boss. And I'll see you guys next time.